Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to give you the solutions regarding assignment 11 of the course Programming in Java. So friends, these are my 100% accurate answers and I am pretty sure that all these answers were correct. On that regard, let's continue the video. Before that, please watch the video till the end without skipping, because if I make any changes you will be able to note those changes. So coming to the first question, which of the following statements is or are true? So the first question answer, there are multiple answers here. The first one is option A, statement, and second one prepared statement, third one callable statement, fourth one the select statement. All these are correct answers only. So mark option A, option B, option C and along with option D as correct answers for first question. That is A, B, C and D also. And coming to second question. In second question, the question is, which of the following statements is or are true? They have given the default result type set type as type forward only, type scroll sensitive, type scroll insensitive, conquer read only. Like these four options they have given. So the correct answer, one and only, type forward only. Mark option A as correct answer for second question. So mark option A as correct answer for second question. That is option A. And coming to third question, let's read the question first. As with statement objects, to execute a prepared statement object, it need to be called an execute statement. Which of the following statements is or are true regarding this? Actually there are multiple answers here also. The first one is execute query, and second option also correct, it is execute update, and third one execute. That means option A, option B along with option C, all these three are correct answers but not D. So exclude D and include A, B and C as answers. And coming to fourth one, in the fourth question, which of the following statements is or true when return value for execute update is 0? So mark fourth question answer. There are two answers actually. First one is option A, that is the statement executed was an update statement that affected 0 rows, and second one option B, the statement executed was a DDL statement, that means data definition language statement. So mark option A along with option B as correct answers for fourth question. So mark option A and option B as correct answers for fourth one. And coming to fifth one, fifth question, which of the following class or interface is not related to database management in Java? So the answer for fifth question is option A, that is socket. Socket is not related to DBMS in Java. So mark option A as correct answer for fifth question. And coming to sixth one, in sixth question, let's read the question first. Once a JDBC driver has been registered, which of the following method is used to make a database connection? So the answer for sixth question is option A, get connection of string URL, string user ID and string password. So all these three parameters or arguments have data type as string in common. Get connection is the method. So mark option A as correct answer for sixth question. And coming to seventh one, the SQL command use test implies which of the following? So seventh question answer is option D, set test as the current working database so that any SQL command bind to the test database only. So mark option D as correct answer for seventh question. And coming to the eighth question, they have given a program. What they are asking the question as, let's see, what happens after execution of the following code? So they have given a code like this, and the answer for this is option D, Joe and Dan both are inserted in different columns of same row. So mark option D as correct answer for eighth question. That is last but second one. That is option D for eighth question. Answer is option D. And coming to last but one question, that is ninth question. How do you know in your Java program that SQL warning is generated as a result of executing a SQL statement in the database? So the answer for ninth question is option C. You must invoke the get warnings method. What is it? Get warnings method on the statement object or a subinterface thereof. So mark option C as correct answer for ninth question. And coming to the final question of this week, that is 10th question. Which of the following is a class in package java.sql? So the answer for 10th and final question is option A, timestamp. So mark option A, timestamp, as the correct answer for 10th question. So friends, hope you like the video and helpful to you. If you feel the same, like our video, share this video to your friends and subscribe our channel. Please keep support us. Until then, be safe, be happy, and thank you. Bye.